Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we got a solution to our Mustang problem, so stay tuned, like, subscribe. Also, if you see our little guy Guru, remember to put the timestamp and your comment will be pinned to the top. One last thing, if the like button's on its brake, run out to his car, take off all the brake bulbs, and you know what? Somebody's gonna crash into him. That's the way we like it.
I got a surprise for you guys.
Oh god, another surprise.
No, I used to be excited when you said that.
I lost credit.
Just a little bit.
Yeah.
My credit score went down.
More, it's like fear.
Literally.
It's not a surprise anymore.
I didn't know how to describe my feelings. But fear is there.
Yeah.
That was a huge downer with the Mustang and it having damage like that. I understand your fear,
I
but
was actually so hyped for that.
and we put in work already. Like we
Yeah.
actually already started working on it. So that's my bad. But I think you guys are gonna like what I got going on today. This is what I did to fix our Mustang problem.
You bought another Mustang.
I bought another Mustang.
So, are we building?
No, we're not building this one. This is gonna be our fix. I'll explain. So
Yeah,
I bought it. I had the transport company deliver it here to us, and now we're here to pick it up. I know you guys are looking at me like I'm crazy with the trailer. I know. Let me explain.
Alright.
Why'd you park so far away from it?
Well, you know, it's brand new. I didn't want to scratch it or anything.
What year is this?
I mean, I'm just confused.
I know. All right, so I bought a 2011 Mustang,
Okay.
5.0 Coyote,
Yep.
and believe it or not, it's not a new build. But just tell me what you think about this.
Well,
It runs and drives. I know it's missing a few pieces.
runs and
Yeah.
drives.
I mean, the tire
It doesn't look like it's been hit.
It's pretty clean. I mean,
Super clean.
You gotta get some fenders for it.
Yeah, just some fenders, probably like a little buff and wax.
There's a scratch right there. See it?
No.
Where? Oh, what are you doing?
What do you mean, brother?
That came out pretty good. There's one on the other side too.
Please.
No, there's one.
There's actually one
There's-
because that actually
there's-
just broke my heart.
I mean, there's a small one there.
Okay,
but there's
yeah.
a bigger one
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Wow.
right there.
Wow. Wow.
All right.
This guy's lost it.
No.
This guy.
So no worries. We're cutting the whole body off this car. We're gonna use this car, chassis, engine, AC, for our 66. So we're gonna take the body off of our 66 bent up bad frame, and we're just gonna stick it over this body.
Okay.
So it's gonna be a new Mustang under our old Mustang.
Yo, I've never seen that and I'm digging that.
So
I'm
it's
not
called
gonna
chassis
lie.
swap. We're gonna swap it over, and it's really gonna be a new Mustang that you're driving, but it's gonna look old.
Yo, that's
It's
crazy.
gonna look like you're in the 60s.
Yo, I'm messing with that though. What?
Okay.
Traction control, ABS, all new, but it's gonna look old.
Yo, I respect that. I'm ready. I'm down. Let's
That
do
way
it.
you don't have to worry. You can drive this to Miami.
Yo, I'm with it, bro. What? That is lit.
And if you think the engine's running a little bad, it pops a check engine light. You pull over to one of those parts stores, they'll scan
That's
it for you
true.
free
With a 2011.
with the 2011.
Wow. That's all right.
This is our
More
solution,
convenient.
and it's gonna come out cheaper in the long run.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I mean,
That's
we were gonna source
Most of
an
the parts are
engine.
here.
Almost all the parts are here.
We were gonna have to make the engine mounts and stuff. Yo, this is
Yeah,
this
we're
is
gonna
here.
buy a Coyote. We're gonna buy the transmission. Then we're gonna buy the AC, buy the wiring, the suspension. We're gonna
It's
buy
all
that.
here.
This is it, and
Wow.
it's pre-assembled.
I like that. I like
Howl's
that.
jobs can be easier. It's already got an interior.
Look, it came with a free booster seat for me. Oh yeah.
Wait,
It even says Mustang on the inside.
with the 6-speed. Okay.
So now all I gotta do is just make this interior look real nice. Like,
What?
nice. This is
This is decent.
This is just Mustang. Man.
This is decent. This is decent.
Alright, so I did it again. I surprised everybody with something out of left field. Instead of fixing our 66 bent frame Mustang, I went and bought a newer version with the engine that we already want, with everything set up exactly the way we want, running and driving. That way all we have to do is make it look like a 66 and just keep everything from the newer one. So this is gonna be a chassis swap. It's gonna save us a lot of time. It already has saved us a lot of money. So instead of spending 14 grand for the Coyote swap and the transmission, we got a whole car running and driving with the engine and transmission that we want, with suspension, AC, and all those little creature comforts already built into it. So we're gonna have some money left over to do some cool stuff to it. I have another surprise for them that they may not know about, and let's let them know now what that's gonna be. All right, one more thing I forgot to tell you guys. Since we have so much money left over because we saved on an engine, right? We got everything in this car. Suspension, AC, all that is saved money. We're gonna go ahead and build an...
Whoa. You can't say it, Eleanor.
Listen, I can say Eleanor if I wanted to.
You said it again.
Oh, and you said it.
I know, I said it.
No, you don't have to worry. Guys, wait. About a week ago, they just released this new thing that came out of court. Supposedly, the reason why you couldn't say Eleanor and a Mustang before is gone now. So we can build an Eleanor replica, and we can call it whatever we want, and nobody can tell us that we can't. Just out. We're gonna take our coupe, we're gonna convert it into a Fastback, and we're gonna put it to look like an Eleanor replica right here for the new year. Should be one of the newest Eleanors of this year. I think we'll be first in line. So I figured since we saved so much money on our car insurance, we'll be able to do this. So you can say Eleanor without having to worry about it now. Eleanor.
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 Eleanor!
I feel like Bloody Mary.
Yeah, you shouldn't say it 3 times from the same person. So that's it. We're gonna do a coupe to fastback conversion. We're also gonna do a chassis swap to a newer Mustang, and we're gonna go ahead and build this year's first Eleanor from scratch.
So today's video, picked up our new donor car, came up with a plan about how to fix that issue that you guys saw in the last video. If you haven't already, I would highly suggest checking that out. This one, full frame, it's all squared away, never been in an accident or anything. 5.0 Coyote engine that we were already gonna swap over, but it's already in here now, so that's a plus. Transmission's all good. It has a full interior, so we're just gonna end up doing a chassis swap. Everything should be pretty easy, seamless procedure for us. So if you guys like the video, hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe.